Principal and all my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. The topic that has been chosen by me to share my views is the needs of compulsory military training. War is the most savage activity of man. All peace-loving people of the world hate wars. The last two world wars produced so much misery that most of the nations desire to abolish wars. But wars can be abolished only if all the nations of the world cooperate with one another. So long as some countries want to conquer other countries, wars can't end. It is therefore necessary for the peace-loving nations to be always prepared to protect their independence at all costs. They might be forced to take up arms in self-defense. Pakistan is a peace-loving country. We have no desire of conquering other countries. We respect the independence of our neighboring countries. We do not wish to impose our will on any other nation. We believe in setting difference peacefully. We support the United Nations Charter. We hate aggression, but we live in a world where the love for peace is sometimes taken to be a sign of weakness. Some of the countries have expansionist designs in this region. There are people who have not accepted the creation of Pakistan and they are waiting to enslave us. At the time of partition of India, some states which wanted to join Pakistan were forcibly occupied by Bharat, our Nidham. The people of Kashmir are still suffering under Indian occupation. We see the worst condition of Palestine, Burma and Ukraine. The recent development in these regions have worsened prospects of peace. Our independence is endangered. This grave situation calls for immediate action. If we want to remain a free nation, we shall have to use all of our resources. No doubt, our country is small and a country has a scarcity of resources. But we are a proud and independent nation. We have made great sacrifices for our freedom. Our people are strong and brave. Our armed forces are among the best in the world. They can meet any aggression. They have proved this in all the wars with India. Respected audience, the defense of our country is the responsibility of all. This honor of fighting for a country should not be denied to anyone. Every Pakistani should be trained to defend the country. The scheme of compulsory military training for all the citizens of Pakistan must be introduced immediately. The modern warfare doesn't distinguish between soldiers and civilians. We have also to make up the deficiency in our material resources by making every citizen a soldier, ready to fight, live and die for the nation. Thank you.